Right, I made it to the Chow Kit wet market. It's about 8:30 in the evening and it is closed. I actually underestimated how far away it was from my place. I thought it would only be about a 20-30 minute walk. It ended up taking me more like 45 minutes. It's pretty far away. There is actually a nice view of the Twin Towers from here. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that, beautiful, shrouded in cloud. Yeah, so we're situated about, I don't know, 1 or 2 kilometers to the west of the Twin Towers. And apparently the wet market closes, well, before 8:30, that's for sure. So I think it's sort of like a morning, lunchtime, daytime thing. If you want to come here and check out the fresh produce of the wet market. But it looks like there are some stores open along here selling little bits and pieces. So let's check it out. We got some cool fruit here. These guys are my favorite. Dragon fruit. Yeah, I'm not sure. Are these the Malaysian or is it Malaysian dragon fruit?
Ayam.
Malaysia, yeah? How much for one? 6? Enam? What is this?
Snake fruit.
Snake fruit. Oh wow, it does actually look like snake skin as well.
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. How much is this?
1 kilo 10 ringgit.
1 kilo 10 ringgit
10 ringgit.
for a kilogram.
1, 2, 10 ringgit.
For 1 kilogram?
Yeah.
My God, I don't need 1 kilogram. Okay, cool. All right, terima kasih.
Okay.
I don't think it's dragon fruit season at the moment. I love those dragon fruit, especially the Malaysian ones. The Malaysian ones are red inside, the Vietnamese ones are white inside. I much prefer the Malaysian ones, but it seems like they're not in season at the moment, so I'm gonna give those ones a miss. But that's some really fresh looking broccoli. Look at that, that's really, really nice. Fresh broccoli, some good stuff here. Garlic, ginger, limes, pineapple. Wow, pretty cool. I've actually never been to this part of KL before, and it's been raining a little bit all day, just light drizzle all day long. It usually never does that. Usually it just buckets down for an hour and then stops and it's done. But today it's been pretty annoying because it's basically just rained a little bit all day long, and it's just stopped. Like there is a tiny bit of rain right now, but not enough to be a problem or wet the camera or anything like that. So I'm gonna go for a walk down here, see what's around. And we're on the lookout for a famous Nasi Lemak place, which is down here somewhere as well. So I've heard the Nasi Lemak at this particular place nearby is quite good, so I want to go check that one out. But in the meantime, yeah, there's a lot of stores on both sides of the road here, and just like fresh fruit and veg. Yeah, the broccoli, that's some of the freshest looking broccoli I've ever seen. That is like, broccoli doesn't get any better looking than that. That's a really good looking broccoli. Got some eggplants. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't actually need to buy anything fresh at the moment, so I'm not gonna buy any of this stuff right now. But otherwise, yeah, that broccoli looks really good. Oh, we got some durian over here as well. If you haven't tried durian, you really need to, at least once. Personally, I think once is enough. It's durian is a really polarizing fruit. People either love it or they hate it. Personally, I am not a fan. I don't like it at all. It smells like some kind of industrial strength paint thinner. Really not nice. But there we go. We got a couple of not free-range chickens. I'm not going to judge, I'm just going to show you what I can see. Some fresh chicken stuff here. Hello. You can hear a mosque nearby with the call to prayer. Wow, yeah, pretty cool to come and see this. Here we go, I got some more durian. A couple of cats on the table as well. Hello, sir. Musang King durian. Yeah, look, you have to try it at least once. I don't know why, it seems like a lot of local people like it. Personally, I think it tastes like good mango that's been left out in the sun for an entire week. I really like mango. The texture is kind of similar, but durian is really, really not for me. I met a guy back there and I asked him for directions. Actually, I asked him for his recommendation for a good Nasi Lemak place, and he told me this place that we're going to is the best one, so we're gonna go check that out. I also saw somewhere online that this part of town, Chow Kit, might be a little bit dangerous. So I asked that guy, I said, hey, is it dangerous here? And he said, city kit, like a little bit. So I don't know what that means. I don't know if it means it's more dangerous than the rest of KL or the same as the rest of KL. But just walking around, I haven't felt anything weird, anything slightly dangerous feeling at all. I feel fine. It's sort of 8:30, 9 o'clock in the evening. I'm walking around by myself. I've got a beer in my hand. It all seems pretty cool to me. One thing I will say though is anytime I've got my phone out and about, especially now because I've got my phone on the end of a selfie stick, which I've just brought today. Yeah, I am mindful that I could lose my phone in the blink of an eye as soon as a motorbike goes by. I have actually witnessed a phone snatching myself take place in KL, so it does happen, and it's a pretty common occurrence. Wow, beautiful view of the Twin Towers. Whew, look at that. Yeah, so that's the only thing I'm mindful of at the moment. I'm trying to keep a bit of have some awareness about what's happening around me, and anytime I feel like there's a motorbike that's anywhere near me, I'm moving the phone away, and I'm just making a conscious effort to not walk too close to the road. You know, the road's here, I'm a few steps away, so it would be yeah, a bit more difficult for someone to grab my phone. Having said that, there are quite often motorbikes on the footpath where I'm walking right now. Hello, hello. So just because you're on the footpath doesn't mean that you're safe necessarily. Hello. The Nasi Lemak Antarabangsa. Lurus? Jauh? Okay, terima kasih. Alright, apparently we're nearby. And there's a few more stalls here. Clothes, hats, bags. Oh, that looks nice. This guy's eating a bit of food here. So we're heading towards the Twin Towers, which is good because if we get to the Twin Towers, I'll know how to get home. Otherwise, this is unfamiliar territory for me, and I don't really know how to get home exactly. Although I can see some buildings I recognize, so it shouldn't be too hard. All right, where are we? What's this place called? Restaurant Jerbang? Nope. We're looking for Nasi Lemak. Now, if you haven't tried Nasi Lemak before, you need to. It's a really famous dish here in Malaysia, and Malaysian people, they feel a lot of pride about this dish, and rightly so. It tastes good. My only criticism about Nasi Lemak is I don't like the anchovies. So usually when I order, if I remember, oh, found it, here it is. So when I order Nasi Lemak, I ask for no anchovies, and it's delicious. Nasi Lemak Antarabangsa in Kampung Baru. So Kampung Baru, there is actually an LRT station here. If you want to take the train, you can take the LRT, and I guess, yeah, this has got Kampung Baru written on it. So I guess the Kampung Baru station cannot be too far away. I can also see the Platinum building just here. Yeah, it looks like we're only maybe 400 or 500 meters behind the Platinum building. So this is the part of town that we're in. But this place looks good. Lots of locals eating here as well. That's a good sign. So let's check it out. Nasi Lemak Antarabangsa, Kampung Baru. This is cool. This is really local style. No anchovies, bro. No anchovies.
Yeah.
I am rendang.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Really?
Yeah, okay, bro. Yeah,
Okay.
looks good. What is this? Sambal? Sikit.
Sikit.
Sikit. Yeah, alright. Sedap.
6-5.
Enam sangat.
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Terima kasih. Nasi Lemak ayam rendang, chicken rendang with some sambal sauce and an egg. That looks really, really delicious. I decided not to get anchovies. I really can't do those anchovies, but I'm sure any local people watching will crucify me for not getting the anchovies because that's part of what makes the dish what it actually is. But for me, this is good. Hello. What is this?
This otak-otak.
Otak-Otak?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Can I get one, please?
1 ringgit.
One piece, 1 ringgit. Yeah? Okay, I'll get 2. Thanks. It's good? Yeah? What is this?
Nasi lemak.
Nasi lemak?
Yeah.
Why do you eat with your fingers instead of the
More better.
taste better? The taste is better
Yes.
with your fingers.
Yes.
Really? Okay.
Where are you from?
Australia.
Australia.
Yeah. Terima kasih. Thanks. Where's the other nasi lemak place that you said was really good? Is it down here somewhere? Yeah.
After this. After you go straight.
How far?
then,
How far away?
No, 2 seconds.
Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Cool.
Banjong.
What's the name?
Restaurant Banjong.
Restaurant
Warung.
Manjur.
Warung Banjong.
Manjong.
Manju. Okay. All right. Cool. Thank you. Bye bye. That was awesome. That might be the best nasi lemak that I've ever had. You know, I used to think my favorite nasi lemak was Ahok in Pasar Sini, but this one, amazing. 6 ringgit, 50 cent. Great value and really, really good. Yes, we got some sautés on the burn here as well. Whew, smoky. All right, so those people that I was sitting next to, they told me that, here it is, yeah. They said there's another really, really good nasi lemak place here. That's, I asked them, where's the best nasi lemak? And they said that place and this place are both really good. So I'm gonna have to try this one next time I come. Nasi lemak Wanjo, Kampung Baru. Looks super busy as well, so yeah, this one, put it on the list to try next time for sure. All right, that nasi lemak was maybe the best, considering value, probably the best nasi lemak I've ever had. And I know I'm not doing it right, not including the anchovies. I'm sorry, I just really don't like those anchovies. But that was fantastic. Now those otak, those little fish things, little barbecue fish things, otak-otak, I didn't like that so much. You know, I've tried them before in Jakarta, Indonesia, and I enjoyed those ones more. Now, I don't know what they're supposed to taste like, but these ones that I just had tonight here in KL, in Kampung Baru, they tasted quite different, they looked quite different, and it was just different from what I was expecting, so maybe that's why I didn't like it so much. Check this out, we got some nice, looks like they're making some smoothies here, we got some delicious looking mango juices. Wow, so busy, people everywhere. Hello. Yeah, lots of people out for dinner. Certainly a happening place. I wonder where the station is. Now, this is Kampung Baru, so the station must be around here somewhere, but I don't know where it is exactly. In any case, I walked here tonight from Changkat, Bukit Bintang. It's quite a long walk if you're game and if you're dressed, you know, appropriately for the weather. You can do it. It'll take you probably 45 minutes. Very casual walk, and you can sort of check out the side streets as you go. Otherwise, yeah, there's probably a station nearby. All right, I have no idea how to get home. I can't even see any buildings that I recognize. Oh, there's one, but this looks like a dead end, so I might go this way. Hey bro, how do I get to Bukit Bintang? Bukit Bintang, di mana?
Oh, Bukit Bintang. You go left.
This way? Lurus?
Go left.
This way?
This way.
Really?
Yes. This way you left.
Lurus, then
Kiri.
kiri. Lurus dan kiri, alright. Boleh? Boleh? Okay.
Tutup.
Alright. Terima kasih. Buka. Say hello?
Hello.
Okay, bro. Alright, see you, man. Bye. Alright, so apparently I was going in the wrong direction there. Hello.
Hello.
Nice. Some more delicious looking street food here in Kampung Baru. All right, I think that's a wrap on our little adventure tonight in Chow Kit. So, if you think you know where the best Nasi Lemak is in Kuala Lumpur, do me a favor, let me know in the comments because I'm on a mission to find the best Nasi Lemak in Malaysia. Personally, I think the one I had tonight was fantastic, but if you've got a better suggestion, let me know, I'll go check it out. Also, let me know what you think about that Otak-Otak. I'm not sure what it's supposed to look like or what it's supposed to taste like. Personally, I didn't really like that one tonight. I thought the one I had in Indonesia was better. Although, to be honest, you know, I wasn't in love with that one in Indonesia either. Not one of my favorite things, but, you know, not too bad. So I'm not really sure what it's supposed to look like. Oh, look at that. We got the Twin Towers in the background. Amazing. Beautiful city. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor, give me a like, press the like button. If you're new to the channel and you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to read more about Chow Kit markets, Chow Kit Nasi Lemak, Chow Kit Otak-Otak, if you want to read more about this, I've got a lot more details in a blog post on the website, and I'll put the link in the description below in this video here. So if you want to learn more about it, check out that blog post. All right, that's it from Chow Kit tonight. See you next time.